Hello, everyone, and a massive welcome to today's explainer. If you are completely new to the world of e-commerce, or if you're a total debutante wondering how people are actually using artificial intelligence to build real, functioning businesses today, well, you are in the exact right place. We are going to look at a super clear step-by-step breakdown of a fascinating 7-day AI business experiment. We're going to strip away all the complex jargon, and we'll see exactly what it takes to build an online storefront from absolute scratch using modern tools. And that brings us directly to the hook of our entire explainer. Can artificial intelligence really build a profitable business from scratch in just a week? I mean, it sounds crazy, right? To test this out, the creator of our source experiment set 3 very strict rules for themselves. Rule number 1, AI had to make every single business decision. Rule number 2, they were limited to a strict $250 budget, which basically meant almost all the tools had to be free. And rule number 3, absolute transparency. Every single step and every single dollar had to be tracked.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll cover what AI dropshipping actually is, then setting up the store, finding and testing products, building a unique brand, creating AI advertisements, and finally looking at the real final results.
All right, kicking things off with Section 1, what is AI dropshipping? Just covering the basics of the business. Now, if you are a total beginner to online retail, this slide right here is your golden key. Dropshipping is simply a retail method where a store doesn't actually keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when your store sells a product, you purchase that item from a third-party supplier, and then that supplier ships it directly to your customer. The huge, massive appeal here for beginners is that there is zero inventory to manage. You don't have boxes stacked up to the ceiling in your garage, and there's very low upfront physical work. You're essentially just acting as the digital middleman, connecting a buyer out there in the world to a supplier.
Moving right along to Section 2, setting up the store and laying the foundation.
Let's see how this all comes together in 3 pretty easy steps. First off, the creator needed a niche, so they used a really clever, beginner-friendly technique called the dummy scroll. Basically, this involves creating a brand new Instagram account and literally just scrolling, but only interacting with shopping ads to see what everyday people are actually buying right now. They fed that raw data right into ChatGPT, which confidently suggested the pets niche. Makes sense, people love their pets. From there, in step 2, they used a dedicated AI tool called Build Your Store to automatically generate the website's layout, the banners, the entire structure. Finally, step 3 was linking that AI generation direct to Shopify, which is the platform that securely handles the checkout and customer payments. Honestly, in mere minutes, the store existed. It's wild how fast digital real estate is built these days.
Next up is Section 3, finding and testing products. This is where AI selection meets real life.
Because let's face it, a store is absolutely nothing without winning products, right? To solve the product problem without doing hours and hours of manual data entry, the experiment utilized another AI tool called AutoDS. This tool does the absolute heavy lifting. It identifies products that are currently trending, like, say, a dog pot cleaner or a cat tunnel, and it just automatically imports them into the store. But here is the genius part for beginners. AutoDS automatically adjusts the pricing to ensure you actually make a healthy profit margin. Plus, it uses AI to rewrite those terrible, confusing product descriptions that you usually get from overseas suppliers. It literally turns broken English into polished professional marketing copy in seconds. And this brilliantly illustrates a massive lesson for anyone starting out. The creator actually ordered physical samples of these AI-selected products to their own house to test them out. Item 1, this interactive ball, felt super cheap, operated chaotically, and had just awful instructions. It was a complete disaster. But item 2, the dog paw cleaner, was surprisingly high quality. It had a quiet motor and excellent, clear diagrams. This proves a vital point to beginners. AI is a fantastic finder, but it still absolutely requires human quality control. You never ever want to sell a chaotic, cheap product to a real customer and ruin your store's reputation before you even get off the ground. All right, Section 4, building a unique brand, naming and logos. You have to remember, customers decide to trust a store in about 3 seconds. So here's the rapid timeline of how AI built that vital trust. On day 1, they secured a professional .store domain. When their first name choice was taken, ChatGPT acted as this instant brainstorming partner, eventually spitting out the name Thriving Paws. Once that name was locked in on day 2, day 3 was about using an AI image generator called Nano Banana to create a really clean, professional logo. So within just a few days, multiple AI tools collaborated to turn a totally blank screen into a cohesive, trustworthy brand identity called thrivingpaws.store. Now we are on to Section 5, creating AI advertisements, selling with avatars. This is where the budget actually gets spent. But before we even talk about the ads themselves, we have to define this critical marketing term, UGC, which stands for user-generated content. If you're a debutante to marketing, you might think a highly polished, super expensive Hollywood-style commercial is the best way to sell a product. In reality, those corporate ads often completely fail on social media. People just swipe right past them. What actually works is UGC. These are amateur-style, authentic-looking videos that appear to be filmed by a regular person, just reviewing a product on their phone in their living room. What's genuinely mind-blowing here is how fully automated this entire UGC pipeline has become. The experiment used a tool literally called Create UGC. It's so simple, you just input your Shopify product link and the AI automatically analyzes the whole page. Then you select a realistic AI human avatar to basically speak to the camera, and the AI even writes their script. Now, I will say the host did have to manually step in here for a second. The AI actually got a little confused and focused the script on a dog collar's water resistance, totally missing the main selling point, which was that it had an Apple AirTag holder. So after a quick human tweak to fix that script, these AI avatar videos were launched on Meta, which covers both Facebook and Instagram, at a budget of $20 a day. Which brings us to Section 6, the final results, the pragmatic climax. We're going to look at the cold, hard math of this 7-day challenge.
So the crucial point is exactly where the money flowed. Let's walk through this table together. Over the week, the store generated $424.81 in total revenue, primarily by selling 17 of those high-quality dog paw cleaners we looked at earlier. But as we all know, revenue is not profit. We have to subtract the product and shipping costs that were paid to the supplier, which came out to $169.85. Then we have to subtract the marketing budget, which was about $150 spent on those meta ads. And finally, the $1 trial fee for Shopify. All of that brings the total running costs of the business to $320.85. When you subtract those costs from the total revenue, you are left with a net profit of $81.56. Now, because the creator had set a pretty lofty goal to make $1,000 in profit, the experiment was technically a failure. But you know what? This is a phenomenal reality check for anyone just starting out. It totally grounds that massive get-rich-quick with AI hype you see plastered all over the internet. Yes, the system works. Yes, it literally generated real money out of thin air. But no, it's not a magic button that instantly makes you a millionaire. But let's actually look at the creator's conclusion here. They noted, and I quote, "Given a bit more time and a human touch, this store could definitely make $1,000 in profit every month." And guys, this is the ultimate takeaway for our explainer today. Artificial intelligence is an absolutely phenomenal assistant. I mean, think about it. It built the website, sourced the products, wrote the copy, designed the logo, and even starred in the commercials. And it did it almost entirely for free. AI builds the vehicle incredibly fast, but at the end of the day, a human being still has to sit in the driver's seat to check the quality, tweak the messaging, and actually steer the business to success. Which leaves us with this final, truly provocative thought to take away today. If artificial intelligence can literally build a fully functioning, revenue-generating global store from absolute scratch in just 7 days, what could these tools build in a year with you at the helm? The barriers to starting an online business have literally never been lower. Take what you've learned from this explainer, go out there, explore these beginner-friendly tools for yourself, and just see what you can create. Thank you so much for joining me today, and keep learning.